Lisa and I go about 6 years, and about 5 years ago, we started Executive Roundtable. And what we wanted to do was invite about 20 25 executives from the area and from outside, really, and talk about executives' problems, talk about how to network and share opportunities and discuss how we solve problems. So what we did was every quarter, so 4 times a year, we do executive roundtables. 20, 25 executives come. We discuss hot topics like innovation, growth, customer satisfaction, and all the really the big items which all executives worry about. So we talk about that, we network, we bounce off ideas, and it has been a very, very successful thing we do. And our students from Harvey Mudd also join in, and they also bring a different perspective, right? So we have executives and students, and we mingle. So I wanted to really thank Lisa for this idea and us working together to make that happen.